So a little algebra quickie here. X minus 1 times x plus 10 plus 30 is equal to 0. So I'm going to start by multiplying out the brackets. Whenever I multiply brackets out, I've got to do everything in the first times everything in the second. So I've got x times x is equal to x squared. X times 10 is equal to 10x. Then I've got to be careful, that's a minus 1 there, times x in the second bracket makes minus x, and minus 1 times 10 makes minus 10. So all of that plus 30 is equal to 0. Now I've got some terms of the same type here. I've got a 10x and a minus x, so they can go together, and I've got a minus 10 and a 30, so they can go together. So x squared plus 10x minus x makes 9x, and minus 10 plus 30 makes 20, so plus 20. So x squared plus 9x plus 20 is equal to 0. So that's a nice quadratic equation with everything on the left equals 0 on the right. I could try and factorize that, but I'm going to use the formula. So using the formula, I've got 1x squared, so a equals 1. I've got 9x, so b equals 9. And I've got 20 on the end, so c equals 20. And the formula tells me that x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. So sticking the a, b and c into that, I've got minus 9 plus or minus the square root of 9 squared minus 4ac. So that's 4 times 1 times 20. And that's all divided by 2 times 1, 2a, 2 times 1. So let's tidy that up a bit. So that's equal to minus 9 plus or minus the square root of 81 minus 4 times 1 times 20 is 80. All divided by 2 times 1 is 2. So that's equal to minus 9 plus or minus the square root of 1. 81 minus 80 is 1, all divided by 2. The square root of 1 is just 1, so that's minus 9 plus or minus 1 divided by 2. And then that gives you the two possible solutions. So that's equal to minus 9 plus 1 would be minus 8, and divided by 2 would be minus 4. Or minus 9 minus 1 would be minus 10, and divided by 2 would be minus 5. So x equals minus 4 or minus 5. Job done.